What is up, guys? Check it out. Jonathan, he's got the trap star back there. We brought the mini truck. We're out here with having lunch with dedication, and we ate at this place, Los Humilias. I think that's what it's called. I don't know how to say it, guys. You can see De Niro Sucio out there looking good. But guys, check this out. Jeremiah Thompson, he come out to hang out with us, man. Another shout out to dedication. They put all this on. But check this out, man. Right here. You see him? He's doing something. Oh, there he goes. He's getting it. You guys are gonna love this. Check this out. Show them what you got, man. Let's see if we can get in there. You see? Oh, snap, Chuck. You see that? Woo. We'll go around it here in a minute and get a video. You can check out the car. I think you like it, man. But he's gonna get this on his back window right there. And that's what it is. Check this out, man. Right there, man. Johnny and a trap star. Jeremiah Thomas. Check him out. He got some good looking wheels on here. Yeah, SS Camaro. I forget what year it is, man. Check him out. I got the halos red up here. He said he got the conversion kit for it or something, or that it's available, something like that. But he's got a Holly throttle body coming for it. It's a LS. You see it? Yeah, he's clean. Look, he got this showing up. Looking good out here. Look what he got in the back, man. We're gonna invade his privacy a little bit. We're just looking in the back seat. Check him out back here, man. Let's see if we can get this in here. There we go. You see him? Couple American bass on a big old Hyphonics Brutus Elite. You see him? Damn! Killing it, man. But that's what he got. You see him? He right there. He getting a sticker on. Woo, we get out of here. Man, that thing's pinging. But check out the wheels. We're gonna walk around there. I'm gonna shut your door. All leather inside. Looking good, looking good. Check out the wheels on this, man. Hella hecka red. I tried to get these wheels from him when he got them. He told me no. I told him they look real good on my Blazer. He told me no. But everybody had a real good time. Check them out. Dedication out here in the Lolos. Hitting switches all day. Great food, good time. Jonathan out here saying profanities. I ain't gonna press him though, because he'll say a bunch of worse than that. Yeah, check him out. He getting a sticker right. He getting ready to lay it. Yeah, no. Flip this camera 2 ways. I'm gonna have to go into my editor and edit this video, so that way it's right. But that's what he is. He's getting a criminal sticker, guys. That's what we're doing. That's what's up. We'll probably get ready to get out of here soon. And look, as it's over, the sun comes out. Sky clears up. What the heck? But anyway, that's what it is, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Keep on track. We are back, guys. Check him out. Ooh, got the start on it. Let's flip this around. You see him, he's got a new sticker here. Let's check it out, guys. Oh, snizzap. There it is, there it is. You see him, KRMNL. Criminal. My criminals, my criminals. Let's hear it one time, man. Tell him to hit the throttle on it once. Yeah, get it, girl. That sound good, man. Yeah, there he is one more time, guys. We got one for the criminals, man. There you go, guys. That's what it is. That's what we're doing. That's the end of it. We're out.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.